Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing what the Xbox needs to recognize a Kinect: the official adapter, power brick, and a free USB port. First, plug the Kinect power brick into AC, then connect the adapter between the Kinect cable and the Xbox USB port. This supplies camera, IR, and microphone power. Once done, power on the console and let the Xbox install any pending updates. The system adds device drivers automatically. Make sure you use an admin profile, so device permissions apply immediately. Now you move to physical placement and software setup. Position the sensor 2 to 6 meters away, centered and about chest to head height so depth and skeletal tracking work reliably. Avoid direct sunlight and reflective surfaces. Next, open settings right arrow devices and streaming right arrow Kinect and enable camera, microphone, and sign-in recognition. These toggles let the console use gestures and voice. You'll also run the guided calibration. Follow on-screen prompts to fine-tune depth, tilt, and audio beamforming so accuracy improves in your specific room. Finish by testing gestures, voice commands, and the camera preview. Say Xbox on and try a simple gesture to confirm sign-in and control. Then review privacy settings and decide whether Kinect features like camera upload or voice diagnostics stay enabled. If the Xbox fails to detect the sensor, unplug the adapter and power, wait 10 seconds, then reconnect. Try a different USB port on the console and verify the adapter LED or indicator. If detection still fails, install any outstanding system updates and repeat the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.